Right, here we go with G3, how to pass the Stage 3 mastery test. It's about noun declensions, but there's also some questions about earlier stuff as well, which you need to be familiar with. A couple of questions on technical terms at the start from earlier stuff. Then there's some endings, which is new really. And then question 4 is about the cases again. And then the final section is, as usual, to do with revision, to see if you got stuff from earlier, this time from stage 2. Right, so we'll start with question 1. Give an example in English of a prepositional phrase. Now, from stage 1, you learnt that a phrase like this is composed of two things: a preposition, which is a small word, comes in front of a noun, like in or over or under, plus its noun. So in Latin, in horto would be a prepositional phrase. So in English, we could just translate that as in the garden. But it could be under the table or over the hill or out of the kitchen, something like that. And question 2 is from stage 2. We have to think about which one is subject, which one is object, which one is nominative, which one is accusative. Now this is quite tricky, you just have to know it. The thing doing something in a sentence is the subject, technically, and that's shown in Latin by the nominative case. So as we can see, I've just said that really, this one is true. The object is shown by the accusative case. So you have to think a bit there and get it the right way round. Question 3 is put the nouns into columns. Now for this, let's go over here, because this shows us how to work out declension. So here, getting a bit seasick, you can see the 3 declensions, the first one, second one, third one, and you should be able to work out the pattern there. There's an A there in the ending, a U there, and anything else there. That canis could be something, it could be Mercator, it could be Senex, it could be Leo or Grumio. The ending of this first one here can be just about anything. But this is a table which kind of gives you a way of working it out if you're still not sure. So you think, right, let's start here. Has it got an A in the ending? Yup, it's first declension. Nope. Has it got a U in the ending? Yup, second declension. Nope, it must be in the final bucket, the third declension at the end. So let's go back and apply what we've just learnt to this. So remember that the A ones are first declension, so let's get those easy ones done and cross them off as we go. So the ones with A, and Ancilla and Ancillam, Femina, that's got an A as well, and Feminam, that's got another A. They all go in there. Then the U was second declension, wasn't it? So there's one, Servus. The order you write these in doesn't matter. There's a U, Amicum. There's one, Amicus, and there's another one, Servum. And so the other 4 must be third, and we can prove that to ourselves because they haven't got an A or a U. What appalling handwriting I've got. There you go. So that's question 3. And finally, I sneaked in a little revision question here. Which ones of these words are accusative? Now from stage 2 you ought to have remembered that the M on the end is a sign of the accusative case. So let's just take any one of these. Let's take this one and write amicum there. Okay. And the final section is a throwback to stage 2, when you've got to work out which one is subject and object, which one is nominative and accusative, who's doing what to whom. Okay, so let's work it out. You remember that the M on the end is the accusative, and that's the person having the greeting here done to them. So the M ones are being greeted. So this one here, Metella's being greeted, so she should have the M on the end. So let's go across and join it up to all the ones with Metellam. And vice versa, this one, Caecilius, is being greeted, so he should become Caecilium in Latin. So let's go and join those up. Caecilium, Caecilium, and Caecilium. And that's all you have to do to pass G3. Good luck when it's your turn.